Pinkaboo, I see you.
We're gonna get some candy, Phil. You like candy? Yes. Then Phil like candy.
So we're getting something to snack on, and then we'll show you once we get to the campground.
Bananas.
Bananas? Oh yeah, those are bananas. Yeah, I got some of those. You want some of these bananas? She's talking about that right there. Look at all these sexy sisters. She's talking about the bananas. But I'm looking at this, like, oh my gosh. They have dark chocolate and cheese. I've never seen that. And almond butter. Oh, that's neat. Get what you want. It's an apricot. See?
I don't eat that. Mama? You want to eat this?
Yes.
I like this.
Let's get you some fruits and vegetables. And then.
I hope.
Here, look. You want this?
Huh?
You want this one? You want this? Our tent that we're going to relax in, and that's our tent, and it's all set up. And I did get us some Hershey bars for s'mores. They have a fire up off the hills. Thank you. So at the camp store, I got this cup for me, and I got a t-shirt for the baby. It's a camp shirt just same as this, and we're going to have some fun tonight. It was hard putting up that tent, but it's up. Hi, Princess Zara. Where they do the camp stories. The fire department had to come and put the fire out for our s'mores, or the campfire out. I don't know why, but they had to put them out. They're putting them out now. Everybody's saying the mosquitoes is going to be gone because of that smoke. Here's the 2 items that I bought from the store. So here is Nature Awaits, and then this is an extra small use. I still have left to put up our sleeping bag, and that's her tablet, and I'm gonna put my phone over in that corner over there, or probably over there in that corner. But yeah, this is gonna go over our up under our sleeping bag, and then this is our sleeping bag. I still have to open. Here's our tent. That's our sleeping bag. I did put up lights, and we do have some more lights that's gonna go in the back part. But yeah, the lights is right there, and then she has her books right here. We have our shoes right in here, and here's buffer for our tent. Whoa. You're so silly. So we're just relaxing, getting ready to have a snack, and we're gonna close out the vlog right here. We see you guys in the morning. Wanna say bye, fam?
Bye, fam. No.
Yeah, it's cool, huh? You like it? Good night, fam. Get ready to read good night book.
Because it's scary.
And go to sleep. You wanna go to sleep?
Yeah. No.
I love you. Okay, let's blow a kiss. Let's blow a kiss. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you want to sit up? Okay. Okay. That's it. 1, 2. So this is the morning, and we're eating pancakes and drinking juice. Zara's still sleepy. Are you still sleepy, Sleep-O-Lux?
Yes.
Yes, yes. So we get ready to eat breakfast, and then probably go do some more fun activities. Last night it was a hike. We didn't film there, but Did you enjoy camping?
Yes.
First night, you slept well?
Yes.
She didn't even want to wake up, y'all. She was just like, no, I'm tired. And then we're going to pack up and get on out of here. Ooh, my hair. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Say bye for y'all.
But film,
Just blow and kiss.
I got see you film.
Yeah.
I got